Hiya, welcome to this week's Wellbeing Wednesday video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a few flow art patterns which you can do with or without a prop, but I will be explaining the type of movement that will be used in Poi. Now you might be asking yourself, what is Poi? And I'll give you a really brief introduction. So Poi originated with the Maori people of New Zealand, and it involves swinging tethered weights in a variety of rhythmical and geometric patterns in the air. More in modern day, it is considered part of the flow arts movement, which combines dance and creative exploration with manipulating props. So one of those props is Poi, which I will show you now. So this is a pair of Poi that I've bought, and they've got two little finger holes on the end, and at the end of the string you've got these two balls. And these ones have these strings which kind of flow through the air as they're moving. You can also make your own Poi at home out of some things that you'll probably have in your house. So you'll need a pair of socks, two tennis balls, or perhaps even something soft like making a little water balloon or filling a balloon with rice or dried lentils or something like that, and then putting it in the sock so that you have your tethered weight at the end that you can swing around. And there you go, you've got yourself some DIY Poi. You can also do the whole of today's video without any props at all and just learn the patterns that we're going to be doing. That will be enough as it is, but if you don't have anything like that and you'd like to use something more solid, you can even just use a pair of wooden spoons just to help you see the patterns that you're making in the air. So it's up to you, but find a prop that you want to work with or not, and let's get started.
So to warm up, let's put the hands on the shoulders, bring the elbows into touch and then circle them round and back. Now drawing your elbows in circles going forward one at a time, like you're doing a swimming motion. One last deep inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, float them down. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, float them down. Following your hands, looking up towards the sky and then down to the floor. So just checking our posture, make sure that your knees are bent and soft in the floor. Your pelvis is in neutral, so not tilting back or tucking forwards. Hold your abdominals in just to support your lower back, and then nice and easy in your upper back. Good. We're going to start by facing the side, learning a little pattern. And can you extend your arms and move them forward like you're swimming, front crawl. Just circling the arms forward, opening up slowly. Lovely. Slow this down a little bit. Watch your front hand going down past your feet. Follow the second one all the way around and change direction to face the other side. Good. Keep the arms circling in the same direction. You should now be doing back crawl. So slowly moving the arms into this back crawl movement. We're going to do the same thing, but this time watch your front arm go up. Draw a rainbow in the sky with both arms, one following the other, and now you're in front crawl again. And then whenever you feel confident, you can go down past the legs again, into back crawl, and draw your rainbow, turning the body into front crawl. Making the gaps between these movements shorter and shorter, so you go down past the legs, couple of swimming motions, almost straight into drawing your rainbow, into the down, and over, and down, and over. Good. Smoothing it out, making those circles. Lovely. All right, give it a shake. Really nice. Good. So if you want to keep practicing that, then go ahead. Otherwise, you can try it on the other side.
So the first thing you're going to do is get your prop or not and just practice trying to make circles. So going forward. And this is the first thing I want to do, just feeling the weight of the Poi swinging or getting used to making that circular movement. That's step one. Now try going backwards, making circles going forward, up and back. Nice. Once you feel really solid and comfortable with this, we can move on to the next one. So, step number 2. I'm going to show you without the Poi first. So this movement is going to go 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one, you're going to cross your hands over your body and then uncross them. So like you're giving yourself a big hug, really crossing your arms over and then unfolding them. And it does not matter which arm you go on top. You can try whichever one feels most comfortable to begin with. You can always try doing the other arm a little bit later. So we'll go circling forward. 1, 2, 3, hug on 4 and then come back. Good. So just circling round, ready? 1, 2, 3, hug 4, untwist, lovely. Again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Good. All right. So if you want to try it on the other side, then you can just holding the other arm going over the top. And then you've got that movement done. So let's just practice that all together.
And don't worry if you make a mistake or get a bit tangled up. Just untangle yourself and give it another go. Barod, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and catch. 1, 2, 3, big hug. Yes, all right, well done.
We're going to keep it nice and simple. So face the side and swing them in front of you, like we were just doing a second ago. Good. Once you feel confident with this, slow it down for a second, have a little look at the camera. What we're going to do is take them both down in front of us and then go backwards. All right, let's try that again. So swinging them forwards, you'll go forward, and then as it's coming down, you'll take both hands in front of you, down towards your feet, and then start circling them backwards. So we're circling forwards, they both go down across your feet, and then they go back. Yeah, let's try that.
All right, so swinging them forwards. When you're ready, taking them both down past your feet in front of you, and then swing them back. Good, let's try that again. So really keeping the momentum forward and past the feet, back. Good.
Once you've got that sussed, you can try going from back, and instead of going down past your toes, you're going to turn the same way towards the front of the camera, but you're going to draw a rainbow. So you go over your head and then you're going forwards again. And a teacher of mine once explained this as you're going backwards. You draw your rainbow and then you slice down. Good. Hit the golf ball, going forwards. Rainbow slice. Always think about the momentum of the poi going down. Hit the golf ball. Rainbow slice. Golf ball. Rainbow slice. Good. All right, that's that movement. I'm going to grab my wooden spoons. Hopefully you can see this clearly. We're going to start doing something called split time. So far we've been doing things at the same time as each other, both poi moving in synchronization. You can do split time, which literally just means one and then the other. So with poi that looks like this. So they're traveling on a diagonal line from each other in the opposite place. So one is up and one is down. So with split time, we're going like this. And what we're going to do is, as one goes down, the other one is going to cross over. As this one keeps circling up and going over, untwist yourself, keep going in this circle all the way up, and then you're going in split time again. Now that's a lot of things to think about. So let me come a little bit closer. We're going down, 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 down. Think about the down beats. Good. So right hand goes down, left goes over. Always keep circling. Cross, untwist, back to split time. Good. Let's try that again. Down, cross over, keep circling all the time. Cross over the right, untwist, follow through with the left. Good. Let's try it with spoons. So, just to help us feel the movement. So down, 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 down with the right, down with the left, cross over right. Down, left. Good. I'm not going to say anything because sometimes the way that someone describes something doesn't quite work for you. So just now try having a little look and see if you can get the pattern without too many words or thinking about it too much. It will come. It will come. So don't think about it too much. Just let it circle around, cross over, and then you're back in split time. So it's down, cross, cross, and let go. I was not going to say anything. Let me try not saying anything now. It's hard. Okay, good. So perhaps the hardest move we've done today is the 2-beat weave, which is coming out of our split time and now crossing over. And it's called a 2-beat weave because you're counting 2 beats of the down, 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 down. It goes down, 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 down. There's 2 times that the poi circles past your legs on each side of your body, and that's why it's called the 2-beat weave. So if you're in split time, boom, boom, you're going to cross over. It goes down, 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 down. Yeah? Let me face the side and hopefully you'll be able to see that. Split time, and we go down, 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 down. Twice on each side, 2 beats. Good.
So let's try that one standing up without any poi. Moving the hands in split time, one hand and then the other. We'll try our 2-beat weave. So it goes down, cross over with the other hand, and relax. Good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to split time. 1, 2, 3, 4, back to split time. 1, 2, 3, 4, back to split time. With the poi now, we'll have a little practice, swinging in split time for 4 beats between each 2-beat weave. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take it slower if you need.
So what you can do then is you can, whichever movement you feel more comfortable with, you can start linking them closer together. So for example, the hug one, you can be going forwards. You can hug with one hand on top and go straight across into the other one. So I'm still using the same arm on top, but I'm just continually doing the crossover without the circles in between. You can try doing it with the other arm. Good. And if you've mastered that one and you want to try switching arms in between, you can go one hand on top and then the other hand on top. Good, that's a lot of coordination. All right, and don't worry if you end up hitting yourself. Don't be scared of the poi hitting you. This is why we put something soft in there like balls or a water balloon or something, which will be nice in the summer, perhaps refreshing if it pops. But don't be scared about it hitting you. This is why we have these practice poi, and they're not too solid, hopefully. But don't go swinging them too fast. Be nice and gentle. You're only learning. You're at the beginning of your journey here, so be nice and slow and as fluid as you can be. Okay, so that was our hug one. Our second one is doing our circle. So we're facing the side, you're circling forward. You do golf ball and rainbow. Good. And golf ball, circle, 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 rainbow, circle, 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 golf ball. And rainbow. Watch it with your eyes, it'll help go down. And then you go up. And like I just said, once you feel comfortable with this one, and if this is your favoured one, then you can work on making less circles in between. So you just go down, up, down. So I'm doing one circle in between. So circle, down, circle, rainbow, circle, golf ball, circle, rainbow. Yeah? Good. Well done. All right.
And finally, the 2-beat weave.
That is the hardest move we've done today. So if you don't get this one, then don't worry at all. But it's something potentially to work towards. And if you have got it, try doing, again, less circles between and just linking them. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Brilliant. Okay, good. Well done. I hope you had fun learning a few interesting little patterns with the arms today. Please don't forget to stretch out your shoulders, your back, your neck, all of those good things. I'm sure you can find many resources on the Impello Cymru YouTube channel and our Facebook page and things like that. And have a beautiful Wednesday or whatever day you might be watching this, and I'll see you soon. Bye!